Hello, good evening, my students from Lower Basic 2. Welcome back to our online learning. And today it will be our translation, and then I will continue to our present progressive. If last meeting we have the present progressive pattern A and pattern B, today I will try to review pattern A and pattern B. Plus, I will put another pattern yaitu pattern C. So take a look this one. I will try to see this one first on page 40. I think this one should be 45 or 44. So we will discuss about pattern A, pattern B, and pattern C. That's when we talk about present progressive. Again, I will repeat again for this one. Present progressive is a tenses yang menyatakan sebuah tindakan ketika kamu berbicara, tindakan itu sedang kamu kerjakan. Untuk menyatakan sesuatu yang sedang kamu kerjakan. It means that to express something which is in progress at the time of speaking. Alright? So it means that menyatakan sesuatu yang sedang berlangsung sekarang. So I will make a review for this one for pattern A and pattern B. We know that when we talk about pattern A, connecting subject with verb. And when you use pattern A here, we have this pattern over here. We have positive, negative, and question. We have subject plus is mr plus verb in plus object. And then we have the subject plus is mr plus not plus verb in plus object. And then we have this one for the question is mr plus verb in plus is mr plus subject plus verb in plus object. This one is pattern A. When we talk about pattern A, connecting subject with verb. Alright, this one already clear that when we talk about pattern A, connecting subject with verb. For example, what's the mereka sedang berjalan sekarang? They are walking now. Para pekerja tidak sedang tidur sekarang. They are not sleeping now. Apakah pelajar itu sedang menulis sekarang? Is the student writing letter? Like that. Tuan John sedang melukis sebuah gambar. Mr. John is painting a picture. So this was something that I had explained, and then this one for pattern A. When we talk about pattern B, it will be different. When we talk about pattern B, you will talk about connecting subject with non-verb. Connecting subject with non-verb, it means that you will have subject plus is mr. Okay, you will have subject plus is mr plus non-verb. All connecting subject plus non-verb. Alright, connecting subject plus non-verb. It means that is adjective. It will be adjective, noun, and location. Noun, it means that a house, people, something like that. Our place, we talk about place in Jakarta, in Medan, at school, at home, and so on. When we talk about adjective, it will be the list of adjective words like tall, handsome, big, small, and so on. Alright, so this one connecting subject with non-verb. For example, this one, saya ada di rumah sekarang, it will be I am at home now. So subject plus is mr plus non-verb. This one is non-verb. Alright, subject plus is mr plus place. Alright, so and then have the time this one now to say this one. When you mention this one, when you are mentioning this one is happening or in progressive. Alright, so this one we have pattern A and pattern B. Now this one, there's something new that I want to tell you. We will talk about pattern C. So this one will be the last pattern in present progressive. In the present progressive tense, this one will be the last one. We will talk about passive or pattern C. When we talk about passive or pattern C, we will use verb 3 over here, and then we will put object as subject. For example, the pattern A will be saya sedang menghukum kucing saya karena dia mencuri ikan. Karena saya sedang menghukum kucing saya. Saya sedang menghukum kucing saya sekarang. So if we change to be passive, it will be kucing saya sedang dihukum oleh saya. Okay, so this one something that the verb you will use dihukum, dipukul, dikerjakan, dipotong. This one something that when we want to use pattern C, if we translate into bahasa, kita akan menggunakan awalan di. Alright, so the formulation will be subject plus, it will be this one, subject plus is mr plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object pronoun. And the negative one is subject plus is mr plus not plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object pronoun. And the last one as the question is mr plus subject plus being plus verb 3 plus by plus object pronoun. This one something that we will use in present progressive tense. In pattern C, we will use the verb will always, it will always, is always, I mean, verb 3. Alright? So, for example, like this, the book is being taken by them now. So, by them now. So, taken, this one is the verb 3 of take. Okay? Remember, we have take, took, and taken. So that's why we will use taken here. And the negative, this one will be the book is not being taken by them now. Buku tersebut tidak sedang diambil oleh mereka sekarang. Jadi tidak sedang diambil. So the taken over here, the meaning will be diambil, bukan mengambil, because this one already passive meaning. Alright? Or pattern C. This one something that you will see so this one something that we will talk about verb 3 over here. So we have take, took, taken. Take, took, taken. Something like that. And then the question here is the book being taken by them now? Apakah buku tersebut sedang diambil oleh mereka sekarang? Remember, when you talk about present progressive, you always or mostly you always use sekarang, now or right now, to show that this one is present progressive. Alright, so the pattern C, the formulation to make you clear over here, I will rewrite. So it will be subject plus to be is are, you choose the correct to be or the to be that you will use for your subject. Subject plus is are. Alright, and then plus being, this one is a must, you have to put being, and then plus verb 3 of the first, like take, took, taken, sing, sang, sung, or play, played, played, cut, drink, drank, drunk, and you have to know the verb 3 of the verbs. It means that you have the knowledge, you should have the knowledge of the verb 3 of something, okay, of the verb I mean. Jadi kamu harus tahu bentuk kata kerja ketiga dari sebuah main verb atau kata kerja dasar. If you don't know, you can open your Google or open your dictionary, or you can ask your teacher. For example, you can ask Mr. Shafi'i over here. Okay, so it will be subject plus is plus being plus verb 3. Alright, and then you will use by plus object pronoun. Okay, like by me, by you, by him, or can be possessive, yes, by Anita, something like that, by Donnie, by my father. Okay, so this was something that we talk about passive voice or pattern C. So what should we remember? What we should remember if we talk about pattern C? The things that you have to remember is kamu akan pakai being, alright, pakai being, and also you will use verb 3. Negative, positive, and question, you will use verb 3, and you will use a being over here. Alright, so it means that your verb 1 you must change to be verb 3, or you have to know that the form of verb 3 of the verb 1 over there. Okay, so now I will erase this. Okay, I will erase. Now we'll look at this exercise. This one simple exercise. Now we will try to discuss this one pattern A, pattern B, or pattern C. Alright, I will make it this one big, so it will be easy for you to understand. Wait first, yeah. Okay, now I will try to make it this one big first so you can write down letter. Alright, so this one will be like this. Alright, okay. So we have this one, for example, number one. Saya sedang membutuhkan mesin ini. So what pattern this one? What pattern is this? So this one will be pattern. Saya sedang membutuhkan mesin ini. Okay. What tense is this one? Yes, of course, this one is present progressive, but we cannot put need in our present progressive. Why, sir? Yes, we cannot say needing. So, even this one, saya sedang membutuhkan mesin ini. So, you have to change to be simple present. So, you just say, I need. I repeat again, I erase here. So, you will write down, I need this mesin. Alright? Okay, so we don't translate to be I am needing this machine. No. Alright, it will be wrong. Alright. Next, saya sedang berada di seberang sungai sekarang. So this one will be pattern. This one pattern A. This one will be pattern B. Because what? Because connecting subject with non-verb. This one across the river now. So it means that for number 2. This one what pattern? This one should be pattern B. Alright? And if this one just now we have pattern A. What about number 3? We will go to number 3 now. Okay. Dia sedang motong beberapa ekor ayam. Next, number 4. Apakah dia sedang? So I will make pattern and later you will translate by yourself. Dia sedang memotong beberapa ekor ayam. This one pattern A because connecting subject with verb. Next, apakah dia sedang mengangkat kotak sekarang? This one pattern A because this one is pattern A for the question. Alright. Next, apakah John sedang di depan sekolahku sekarang? What pattern? Pattern B because this one is connecting subject with place. So pattern B this one. Next, number 6. Apakah dia sedang ingin sesuatu? This one actually pattern A, but you make it this one to be simple present tense. Okay, you make it to be simple present tense because ingin, we sedang ingin, we cannot put this one as present progressive. Alright. Next, taman itu sedang dibersihkan. Wah, this one pattern C. Alright. Maybe I will try to answer pattern number 7 because this one pattern C. I will make it bigger now. I will erase first. So number 7, this one should be, this one is pattern C, number 7. So taman itu sedang dibersihkan, taman itu. So this one will be pattern C. Alright, positive statement. Alright, so it will be the park is being cleaned right now. Alright, look at this one. So taman itu sedang dibersihkan. Dibersihkan, this one is the verb 1 will be clean. Alright, and then the verb 2 and verb 3 will be cleaned. That's why I use clean here as verb 3. And this one is pattern C. The park is being cleaned right now. So this one for pattern C. You are going to see later some question by using pattern B, pattern A, or pattern C. Or pattern A, pattern B, and pattern C in present progressive tense. Again, this pattern C will be the last pattern in present